Did you know your first drink of the day can influence your digestion, your energy, immune system, and even your mood? Your gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that help break down food, produce important nutrients, and support overall health. Today, we'll explore some of the best morning drinks for gut health and why they deserve a place in your daily routine. Your gut is much more than a digestive organ. It's home to trillions of tiny microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These helpful microbes assist in breaking down the food you eat. They also help your body absorb important nutrients. Your gut also supports a large part of your immune system. Healthy gut bacteria help strengthen your body's natural defenses. Your gut even communicates with your brain through the gut-brain connection. This communication may influence your mood, stress response, and overall well-being. When your gut microbiome is balanced, digestion becomes smoother, and your body can function more efficiently. The goal isn't simply to drink something healthy, it's to feed the beneficial bacteria that help keep your digestive system thriving. One of the best morning drinks for gut health is raw kefir. This traditional fermented drink has been enjoyed for generations. It naturally contains beneficial bacteria and yeast. These living cultures help diversify your gut microbiome. A diverse microbiome is associated with a healthy digestive system. Kefir is also a good source of protein, along with calcium, B vitamins, and many other valuable nutrients. If you're new to kefir, start with a small serving and gradually increase the amount as your digestive system adjusts. Another simple morning drink is warm lemon water. It's quick to prepare and requires only 2 ingredients. Simply slice a fresh lemon and squeeze the juice into a glass of warm water. While it doesn't contain probiotics, it helps rehydrate your body after a night's sleep. Staying well hydrated helps support normal digestion. Lemons also provide vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that supports overall health. For the best flavor, use freshly squeezed lemon juice and avoid adding too much sugar. Ginger tea has been used for centuries to support digestion. People around the world have enjoyed ginger for generations. Its natural compounds may help reduce nausea, improve stomach emptying, and ease occasional bloating. Fresh ginger makes an excellent morning tea. The tea slowly turns a beautiful golden color. It has a warm, refreshing flavor. Green tea is one of the healthiest morning drinks in the world. It begins with fresh tea leaves, carefully harvested at the perfect time. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins. Catechins are natural plant compounds that may support beneficial gut bacteria while helping protect your cells from oxidative stress. Green tea also contains a small amount of caffeine, providing a gentle energy boost without the intensity of many energy drinks. For many people, it's a refreshing way to begin the day. Simple, natural, and full of plant goodness. If you avoid dairy, water kefir is another probiotic-rich option. Unlike milk kefir, it's made with sugar water. The water kefir grains are added to begin the fermentation process. Over time, it develops beneficial microbes along with a light, refreshing taste. Like other fermented drinks, it's best enjoyed in moderation. Choose versions without excessive added sugar. Healthy drinks work best alongside healthy habits. No single drink can replace a balanced lifestyle. Drink water first. If you're dehydrated, introduce fermented drinks gradually. Start with small amounts and let your body adjust. Eat plenty of fiber from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. Consistency matters far more than perfection. The best morning drink is the one you enjoy consistently. Consistency is more important than chasing the perfect drink. Raw kefir offers probiotics. Warm lemon water supports hydration. Ginger tea may aid digestion. Green tea provides antioxidant. Water kefir is a refreshing probiotic alternative. Each drink offers something different, but all work best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Combined with a balanced diet and healthy habits, these drinks can help support a healthier gut. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their gut health naturally.